Meet the NIO ET9, a tech-forward flagship from China aiming to rival the world's best. Built on a 900-volt architecture, it offers ultra-fast charging, over 150 miles in 5 minutes. Dual motors provide smooth, intelligent all-wheel drive. The ET9's AI-assisted driving system uses advanced sensors and LiDAR for safer, more relaxing journeys. Inside, it's like a first-class airline cabin for lounge-style seats, a Sky Island executive bridge, and amenities like a fridge and tray table. The focus is on passenger comfort and convenience. NIO's steer-by-wire tech allows the steering wheel to retract in autonomous mode. The ET9 supports battery swapping. Get a full charge in under 3 minutes at a power swap station. An intelligent chassis reads the road and adjusts suspension in real time for a glass-smooth ride. The ET9 is less about traditional luxury and more about seamless tech and passenger-centric design. It's a connected, intelligent space for work or relaxation. NIO is changing the conversation around EVs with innovation and convenience. The ET9 signals China's arrival at the top tier of luxury automaking. It's a bold new vision for the executive car. The future of luxury is global, and NIO is leading the charge. What's driving this new era of luxury EVs? It's the convergence of groundbreaking tech. Advanced driver assist systems now offer true hands-free driving on highways, making long trips effortless. Battery breakthroughs mean 400-plus mile ranges and ultra-fast charging. Refueling is nearly as quick as gas. Interiors are shifting to sustainable materials, recycled plastics, vegan leathers, and eco-friendly woods. AI personalization learns your habits, adjusting everything from climate to music automatically. Massive, seamless screens like the Hyperscreen and curved display make complex tech feel simple. Sound design is now an art. Engineers and composers craft unique soundscapes for each car. Cars are deeply connected. Precondition your cabin, plan routes, and monitor status from your phone. The car is now a smart device integrated into your